Yes, good looking people. God bless people. Bless up yourself. Enough love and respect. Thank you for tuning into MSE TV Blog Talk Show. If it's your first time to my YouTube channel, please click and subscribe. Yes, my dear child, I was thinking today what to blog about, and I came across a very interesting story. Take a tip of my tea. Well, you know, when you get married to people, sometimes you don't know who you're marrying. Because this particular story is about the McDonalds. Yes, both of them were born in Jamaica. They relocated here in the United States. Andre, which is the man, he's an Air Force major. Right. And I don't think things was going quite well in his marriage. And he did put in to file a divorce from his beautiful wife. But I guess he reconsider. You know that girl when you get married and things not working out in the heat of the moment, you just want to get rid. Well, that's exactly what the man do. He got rid instead of divorcing her. He dropped the divorce petition. Him and her must have had an argument. But the girl did suss something out. Right? Even though they can't find the body yet. She had told her friends and family, if I go missing, my husband done it. Imagine that. If I have to think like that, let me tell you something. I'm getting the hell out of Dodge. Me nah stick around. Me I pack my things when in their work. And me gone in Jesus' name. Right. She didn't do that. Anyway, she went missing. I think she was last seen on the Thursday. This just happened recently. People, listen keenly. Him claim when the police them come around, because people report her missing, that she wasn't feeling well when she went to the hospital for observation. Ray. Now, if your wife go for observation and not come home, you not contact the police. Right. Anyhow, the police got a search warrant because they were very suspicious of him. My dear child, I got to tell you what I'm finding at the house. But before me do that, I guess some of her co-workers or friends, when he wasn't there, they made entrance to the house through the back. And then spot blood and I here in the bedroom, the master bedroom. Reported that back to the police. The police them get a search warrant, my dear child. Me say when the police them get the search warrant and search up the place, they found tore up receipts. And let me tell you, them piece the receipt them up, and guess what the man purchased? A shotgun, axe, gasoline, overall, all sorts. No, let me ask you people, is if me work at a supermarket or a gun shop or whatever, yeah? And it must have been Walmart or something like that, because only Walmart sell guns and everything. All you need to kill somebody, you can purchase it in a Walmart. You see me? Right. Me just keep it real. If me see somebody in a my checkout line purchase gun, gasoline, axe, overall, duh, I would call the police. I'm not a snitch or nothing, but you need to watch that person because he's got everything that look like he want to shoot the person, then chop up the person, burn up the person, all the above, to get rid of evidence. And that, Miss Summer say, yeah. So they arrested him under suspicion of tampering with evidence because he tear up the receipts, them and everything. Plus, let me not forget the shovel. I want the rascal this. The shovel. So he ain't done shoot her, chop her up, burn her up, dig her grave and put the remains in there. May I tell you that because up to now them can't find the body. I hope them bust him ras, make him talk where the body is. So this girl could have some type of, farewell funeral. People, watch who you marry because you might be marrying a murderer. Me I watch my one, Me I watch my one. Good enough. Oh, that's how we do. Make me paranoid as fuck. Jesus, what is this world coming to? Alright, so click the subscribe button, like, and share. God bless.